Guys, welcome back to another episode of the Exceptional Scrum Master podcast. My name is Yinka, and I remain your online Agile coach. In today's episode, I'd like to share the do's and don'ts of a Scrum Master. Now, today's episode was inspired by a couple of conversations that I had with many product owners. So today, my hope is that at the end of today's episode, you gain a deeper understanding into the Scrum Master role, and you're able to learn a thing or two that would help you become exceptional. So now, let's get right into it. Now, as a Scrum Master, one of the things you should be doing for the team and the organization you're supporting is to understand the product being built. Now, I think this is one thing that is a common complaint amongst many product owners. Many Scrum Masters don't have a clear understanding of the product being built. They cannot clearly define what the team is working on. They have an idea of what the team is working on, but they don't have an accurate understanding or an in-depth understanding of what the team is working on. Now, you might be saying, why do I need to know what the team is working on? My job is to help them with the process and help them become more effective. Now, I want you to think about it for a second. How are you going to help the team to be effective with their ways of working, to get them from where they are till the finish line if you don't understand what is being built? How are you going to know if they're lagging behind, if they're right on track? How are you going to know? Now, I like to say this. Nobody is saying that you need to know how to build the product. No, that's not what I'm saying. But you need to know what is being built. If I put you on a project, if I'm a product owner, or if I am the manager of an organization and I put you on a project to help me support the team, make them super effective so that they can use Scrum or any Agile framework to become effective and achieve their goals, I expect you to have an understanding of what we are building. Because when you have an understanding of what is being built, you will be able to see things from a different perspective. You will be more involved in the project or in the product that is being built. You will understand the issues that the team is facing. You understand their challenges. You will be in a better position to support your team. You have to invest your time into understanding what it's built. Many Scrum Masters don't have a clue. Many Scrum Masters still show up today just facilitating events. And I also like to say this. I understand that the Scrum Guide has described the Scrum Master role in a certain way. I understand that the Agile industry and the community has described the Scrum Master role in a certain way. But the reality is this. There is a perception of what an organization wants a Scrum Master to be. And so if you are working for an organization, it is very important for you to understand where this organization is in their Agile journey. What is their understanding of the Scrum Master role and what is their expectation of me? I think this is very important so that you can marry your own understanding according to the Scrum Guide and your